Hi, in front of me I have SONY SmartWatch 3, and I'm gonna show you how to connect this watch to Wi-Fi network. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the side button. Then swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Here, scroll down, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called Wi-Fi, and tap on it. Now make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. As you can see on my watch, it's disabled, so let's tap on the Wi-Fi to enable it. And you should see the list of networks you can connect to. You have quite a few, as you can see. Find the network you want to connect to, tap on it to select it, for example this one. And now we need to enter the password. To do it, we need to tap on Open on a phone. Bring our phone right here. You will get this pop-up. Tap right here, enter the password to your network. Give me a few seconds. And once you're done, tap on connect. As you can see, we are connected now to the network. If you want to disconnect from this network, you can scroll down, tap on Saved Networks, find the network you want to disconnect from. These are networks saved on the watch and your phone, of course, or basically these are networks copied from your phone to your watch. Find the network you want to disconnect from, for example, GMS Center, tap on X, then tap Confirm, and now when you go back to the main screen, you see that the GMS Center is not connected anymore. You can also scroll down right here, find the option called Advanced, and here you have a few options. You can tap on Power Save after, and you can tap right here to select after what period of time the Wi-Fi should be saving power, basically disabling itself. You have options like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours, and never at the end, but you have also 20 and 15 hours. Select the option you like. I'm gonna select 1 hour, like this. Below we have IP address. You can tap on it to check the IP address, but we are not connected to the network, so we don't have it. And we have also MAC address option, and we can check the MAC address by tapping on it. Okay. If you want to disable the Wi-Fi, you can find the option called Wi-Fi, tap on it, and then tap the check mark to confirm, like this. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.